In primetime news this evening, DR amid double standard, parliamentarians flock promotional event for dancehall artist Shensia. WHO issues new COVID-19 warning as global case count rises again. And teachers in Jamaica and the region uneasy over this year's CXC timetable.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the business day, Primetime Sports, sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question. And this evening, we're asking, what are your views on the presence of cabinet ministers and members of the parliamentary opposition at Shensia's album launch Tuesday night? And you can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at televisionjam1. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.